Hello YouTube, Model Car Guy here, welcome back, and today we're doing the unboxing of this not 19 this time, 2021 Dodge Charger RT. I've had this kit for probably about a year and a half now, and just now getting around to building it. This is probably going to take me at least a week to do because there's a lot of parts and a lot of detailing I'm going to try to do. It's got the 5.7 liter V8 Hemi in it. It's got two different rims that they're very similar, but they're a little different. Probably gonna go red with the black rims and the black stripes. So let's go ahead and get into all these parts because there's apparently 144 of them. This is a lot for AMT. Here's the 4-door Charger body. Here's part of the interior floor, firewall. There's some of the Hemi parts, which some of these parts I don't even know what they are even called, but there's a lot of like frame stuff and a few engine compartment stuff and all that. Here's the frame with the exhaust. You got the electric fans, and I think those are tire parts for like when you go put tires on, something like that. Let's see, I think this is the first that I know of. I gotta paint my windshield wipers when normally they're in chrome. There's my door panels. Looks like a skid plate. That's something. A-arms, something else, I don't even know what it is either. Or like what the parts are called. There's our massive dash with our rear end and drive shaft, our fan belt system, armrest, cross member, cover for our motor, some linkage stuff, some more frame parts. Got, I don't know if it's manifolds or headers. Looks like the bottom part of our transmission, I think. Looks like starter. I think that's the shock towers. A few other things. Here's the actual Hemi block itself in transmission. Steering wheel, it looks like a visor thing, or maybe that's the thing that's underneath the grill or something like that. There's the fans, some more motor stuff, radiator, the pedals. I never did. Be nice if it's standard, but I think it's an automatic. There's our front clip, and then there's the rear clip. There's our front seats and the back seats. We got two different rims to choose, which are very similar. Just these are a little bit wider than these, which I'm probably gonna go with these. I think I like these better for what I am offered. These are two body pieces that go along down the side of the car. More of the exhaust, and then there's our hood. Disc brakes, seat backs, grills, looks like console parts. Not sure what a few of these parts are. There are 4 tires. Not much chrome. It's got the rear. I'll go over taillights and mirrors, rear view mirror, headlight bezels, and it looks like exhaust tips, and I'm not sure what these are for. Let's see, for a glass, we got windshield, back glass, headlights, and then we got door glasses and tail lights, and then I think these are marker lights. I could be wrong. We got a massive decal sheet. 3 different colors to choose from for the stripes. Black, white, and silver. 3 license plates to choose from. California, Florida, and Michigan. There's a lot of whole other stuff. Now let's get into the directions. And there's like, I think, a little over 30 steps. Like, it's a lot. So let's see, starting off, getting our Hemi put together. Then putting our seat back on. And then steering wheel, steering column to the dash. Do a dash work. Armrest to door panels. The console being assembled, shifter, and then all that put to the interior floor, along with the seats, the pedals, and the dash. Then we got our shock towers. Now we start getting to a bunch of frame stuff. Like, I don't even know what the part is. Shocks. Some A-arm stuff. Spindles. Cross member. Tie rod stuff. Firewall. Then we're putting our motor in. Some engine compartment stuff. Radiator. And electric fans. Putting our rear end on. And drive shaft. Then exhaust. And looks like, I guess it's the rear end, I don't know. And then some piece, some more, and then some looks like skid plate stuff. Then let's see, put our glass in. And then there's a, like where you put your sunglasses at, in the rearview mirror. There's a place to put on underneath the hood. Getting the grills and the headlights, bezels and marker lights and headlights, all that. And then the tail lights. Body and interior to the frame. Tires together. Body pieces, well, the front and back clips. Side pieces, windshield wipers, the spoiler. Hood on, mirrors, then put the tires on, and then whatever decals. So, this is a lot to go over. Oh, and one more thing. My fat fingers can get it. There's a paint guide for how to do the windshield, which I'm probably not even going to follow it, but so something that don't come along with kits. So, well, hope you liked this unboxing and felt kind of long. And we'll see you guys in the build video. So stay tuned for that.